We all know the harmful effects of global warming on our planet. Melting glaciers and sea ice causing sea levels to rise, which can change our maps and displace people from coastal areas and low-lying tropical islands. The melting ice also sends animals in these habitats on the move northward, and global warming can shift precipitation patterns, which could cause more abundant hurricanes and cyclones, but at the same time, more droughts in areas that typically receive less rain. But who stands to win in the event of global warming? Oil, coal, and gas industries around the world, as well as coal-burning power companies, stand to benefit, but Russia has the most to gain from the effects of global warming. When nations adopt and put into use alternative energy and carbon reduction policies, such as the Paris Agreement, the oil, coal, and gas industries around the world stand to lose economically because of lower use of their fossil fuels. Russia is a petrostate that prospers when fossil fuel use rises, while higher temperatures from global warming can help them in other ways. Russia would be a big winner if nations were to start shifting away from acting on the global warming threat, not only because of their fossil fuel production, but because warming temperatures could add more than 1.15 million square miles to Russia's farmland and open up new year-round sea shipping routes to the north via the Arctic Ocean. As global temperatures rise, the frozen ground of the tundra in Siberia starts to thaw, creating more usable land for farming and population. As the frozen ground thaws, it releases pockets of methane gas into the atmosphere, further contributing to the greenhouse effect that is enhancing global warming. The rising temperatures have also started melting the Arctic ice that shuts off the shipping traffic across the northern coast of Russia. With this ice receding, there will be many countries traversing the newly opened passage, which can mainly be controlled by Russia to an extent. The new President of the United States has vowed to withdraw from the Paris Agreement designed to limit fossil fuel use and presented himself as a champion of the coal industry. Other countries like China, which is the biggest carbon emitter in the world, show no signs of slowing their use of fossil fuels. With increasing emissions coming from the developing world, the effort to beat back global warming could suffer big setbacks, especially if recent political moves are any indication. Here is one question to ponder, though. If new shipping lanes were open across the Arctic Ocean, how much fuel would be saved by large ships that no longer have to travel so far south to reach their destinations on the other side of continents?